Hello everyone, welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to share a very simple snacks recipe, Aloo ke Pakore, or you can also call potato snacks. For that I took one big potato, I have peeled it off and washed it nicely. Now either finely chop the potato or you can also grate it. Now wash it nicely for 2 to 3 times to remove the starch and other dirt from this. Then add one small chopped onion, half of a small chopped tomato, green chilli as per your spiciness, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of black cumin seeds, half tablespoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Now mix all the ingredients nicely and add gram flour or besan little by little and keep mixing it. So here I took 1/3 cup of gram flour, which I am mixing it little by little. Don't use water as you will be able to mix from the moisture of potato and tomato. Mix until the consistency is like this. Then temper a good amount of oil to fry. Then check if the oil is ready and take a small portion of the mixture and add it to the oil. Here I am not giving any particular shape, just randomly adding small portion of the mixture and frying it. You can give any shape you want and fry it medium to high flame until it is golden and brown in color. Don't forget to flip, stir and fry it, and that might take minimum 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes the fries are ready. Take it out and try to extract the maximum oil before serving it. Now in the cloudy weather or if it is monsoon or winter, anytime just enjoy the super easy and super tasty potato snacks with garma garam chai. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Uttara Home Kitchen. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.